So welcome to tutorial river to another video. So how to disable this name drop on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your phone general option, and from here you need to go your general, go to general, and then you can see the airdrop option. You have to press on airdrop, and then here you can see bring device together, this option. Easily swipe number and name drop, share image and more holding type. So if you disable it, I am disabling it, and go back and let's try again. See, it's not working. So still you can still send photo, video or any number from your airdrop option. Airdrop is enabling, but only name drop is disabled now. So hope video helpful. Please do subscribe and thumbs up, and if you have any question, please do ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you.